BigBasket data breach led to exposure of 2 crore users record. A popular grocery e-commerce platform, BigBasket has faced a data breach which potentially exposed 2 crore users record. Report was made public by dark web monitoring firm Cybele, who claims that their researcher found the BigBasket data for sale during their routines check on dark web, and they have reported the same to the BigBasket management. BigBasket has filed police complaint with cyber cell in follow-up to the claims. Furthermore, company has also said that the privacy and confidentiality of customers is priority and it does not store any financial data including credit card numbers etc. and is confident that this financial data is secure. Lazada suffered a severe data breach affecting 1.1 million Redmart customer accounts. On Friday late night, an individual claimed to have access to the account details like name, email address, phone number, encrypted password, and partial credit card number of the customers. Company claimed to have the account details outdated, and the details were last updated in March 2019. Redmart accounts were said to be hosted on third-party service provider, and the last update date was 15th March 2019. Lazada released a statement after the incident that protecting the data and privacy of our users is of utmost importance to us. Apart from reviewing and fortifying our security infrastructure, we are working very closely with the relevant authorities on this incident and remain committed to providing all necessary support to our users. As an immediate action, all the affected users were logged out and were asked to change the password before they can access their accounts. $2,400 customers to be compensated by 1,01,000 as ordered by Seoul Court. After 4 years of attack, Seoul Court has ordered online shopping mall to compensate more than 2,400 customers 1,01,000, that is $88 each for the data leak incident. In May 2016, Interpark server was hacked resulting in data breach of 10.3 million customers. Post-investigation, Korea Communications Commission charged the Internet Shopping Mall with a penalty of 4.5 billion won, that is $3.8 million, for the failure of keeping customers' data safe. Judge Ha Seon-soo mentioned during the ruling that Interpark informed the plaintiffs 14 days after it became aware of the personal data leak, causing them to miss the opportunity to swiftly respond. According to the ICT Ministry and the Korea Communications Commission, an approach of spear phishing was used to get an access of the personal information of 10 million customers. Spear phishing is a targeted phishing attack to get unauthorized access of the individual's credentials. Hotel Marriott has been hit by massive fine of £18.4 million under GDPR. While it's by far the second largest fine under privacy of British history, originally the fine of £99.2 million was recommended by regulator to the Information Commissioner's Office. Data breach started with the attack over Starwood Hotels and Resorts in July 2014, and in 2016, Starwood Hotels were acquired by Marriott. Personal information like name, email address, passport number, and even encrypted form of payment information was also exposed. This attack compromised the data of approximately 339 million customers worldwide. Jonathan Armstrong, a partner at Kodai, said, "Despite the reduction, the case is still a salutary lesson of the need to keep data safe, and in particular the need to take care when doing due diligence in acquisitions." ICO revealed that attackers were able to install web shell on the website of Marriott, through which they got a direct access to the servers. Post getting access to servers, attackers installed remote access Trojan to maintain persistent remote access. Enel Group, one of the largest companies in European energy sector, hit by ransomware second time, and attackers demand $14 million. Its second time in the year, Enel Group has been attacked by ransomware, and ransom of $14 million has been demanded to provide the decryption key. NetWalker, also called as Mail2, is the family of Windows ransomware widely known to target computer networks, encrypting the files, and attackers demand cryptocurrency payment to recover the encrypted files. Biggest issue with such attacks is that companies are threatened of releasing leaked data over internet, putting companies' reputation on stake as well, resulting in losing trust of clients and customers. Enel Group was attacked first in June by Snake ransomware, with the objective of compromising internal network of the company. However, attack was stopped in the preliminary stage before malware could spread. NetWalker Group claims of having 5 terabits of data, and same would be made public in a week's time if ransom is not paid. NetWalker Group also added screenshots of unencrypted files on their data leak site, and also announced that they will analyze every file for interesting things. Now it's time to list down the top security recommendations and strategy for you to counter the risks and threats referred in today's bulletin. Strengthening security at all parameters in an enterprise environment is important to build a multi-layer defense strategy to fight against advanced threats. An organization should build their use cases for selection of right security solution not just based on the technology they have deployed, but should also consider the purpose of each technology adoption to match the security goal as a topping with each business goals in order to ensure that aside to availability of the service, its confidentiality and integrity are also maintained. Continuous brand monitoring and threat hunting is one of the needs of any organization to monitor the internet deep web and dark web for any unauthorized posting of organization-sensitive data, and also to discover the potential threat targeting the organization infrastructure. This can be achieved by subscribing effective brand monitoring solution and deploying dedicated resources for threat hunting on hidden groups and forums. Look for solution which combines behavior analytics engine, detection, and instant response capabilities against known as well as unknown threats, and such capabilities can help detect and prevent ransomware-like attacks. Additionally, a robust and secure backup strategy in order to prevent taking backup of infected file can help minimize the impact of ransomware attack. Focusing just on reasonable security practices may help comply with law of the land or compliance to some industry certification, but may not be sufficient to counter the real-life cyber threats of today. Organizations should put right focus and effort in strengthening detection and prevention capabilities by deploying skilled resources and proven tools tested on business-specific use cases to counter breaches. We encourage all the non-profit communities in the domain of cyber security to use the space to promote their noble initiatives through our videos. You can contact us at community@whitehatguru.net.